Hello, I am Bill Williams with Big Bill's HVAC. And today, I'm here to educate you on a very serious problem. The North American Duct Weevil. The North American Duct Weevil has been plaguing the houses of hard-working Americans all across this nation. Basically, what the duct weevil does is it bores itself into your electrical system. Once it's inside of your electrical system, it then eats all your copper and your wiring and such and messes it all up. Then the duct weevil lays eggs. It nests itself inside of your ducts. With nesting comes duct weevil turds. Those duct weevil turds then dry out. Once the duct weevil turds dry out, it then gets blown out through your entire system. You, your wife, your dog, and your baby all inhaling North American duct weevil turd particles. 99% of American households are unaware that they are currently, right at this moment, inhaling turd dust. Turd dust has been known to cause a whole mess of issues, such as unwelcomed night running and chronic butt sneezing. Until now. See, at Big Bill's HVAC, we created a patented solution and formulated a flushing system that will remove the remaining amount of duct weevils from your ducts. Then we go through with our thermal imaging system, find the rest of your duct weevil turd spores, and remove them from your ducts. Act now to prevent you and your family from North American duct weevil turd inhalation. Call us today to set up a free estimate and duct weevil turd assessment. I'm Big Bill with Big Bill's HVAC. Thanks for watching.
Big Bill's HVAC is the best. We do HVAC better than the rest.